say. Sometimes the silence guides our minds. Move to a place so far away. The goosebumps start to race the minute that my lifetime meets your waist. And then I watch your face.